Hi, I'm Joseph Feinstein. I'd like to share with you a technique which I've taught to thousands of adults to help with your respiratory and sinus health. Basically, you are gently humming at different pitches for several minutes. So we're going to start with a gentle sigh where I just let the breath come in and go out and carry a little bit of my voice so you feel that you can just let out a little sound gently. The transition between the inhale and the exhale is very gentle and smooth without any pulling or pushing or strain. Simply sigh. So now, instead of a sigh, I'll do a hum. Now, if you're already congested, you may get a very small hum, and that's okay. It may only be a little. Do what you can so that it feels gentle and comfortable. If you feel any pain, don't continue. As long as you can do it gently and comfortably and you're enjoying the feeling, continue. So the idea is to hum at different pitches with different intensities and to feel that vibration in different places. And with a little practice, you can actually move the vibration around to suit the feeling that you have and to help clear out congestion in different areas. You can do it sitting like I am or lie on the floor. If you're not comfortable lying flat, bend your knees, put your knees bent in the air, and lie in a way that you're comfortable. Even on your side is fine. So again, I'm simply going to inhale, let my breath right back out, and let it carry a hum up to my lips. So I start with that little sigh and then close my mouth around that, focusing the vibration at my lips. You can inhale through your nose or your mouth. If your nose is congested, breathe through your mouth and then try to move the hum up to your nose. Notice if you do an M sound or an N sound, it will move the hum into different areas. If I do an N, by pressing my tongue against the roof of my mouth, I can focus that vibration more into my nasal passages. And then change the pitch until you feel the vibration in an area where you want to get some movement happening and some vibration to either reduce inflammation, improve your breathing, clear out clogged sinuses, or just feel better. So I feel that kind of in the sinuses behind my nasal passages, and I'm going to stay with that tone for a couple of minutes because I feel like it's a good area for me to let some vibrations happen. I do it in a way that feels comfortable and not forced. And don't feel that you have to match the tone that I'm doing. I'm going to change right now and do some other tones anyway. I'm doing it by my feeling based on what feels good. So change pitches and see what it feels like and what feels different, and then move around and do what you enjoy and what helps you. Now that's a vibration I feel more in my mouth and my throat and starting to get into my chest. Now, a really nice, easy way, which I've taught to many students, is to start low and go from low to high. So I'll go and find what's a low, comfortable tone that I can do. I'll start where I was and just go a little lower. Relax your belly. Let your breath come and go very easily without pulling or pushing or straining. pause in between each sigh. If it feels a little raspy, be sure to work gently, but that may be an area that's good for you to focus on. If you do have a lot of sinus congestion, a good way to practice this is with hot water in the shower or in a tub or in a sauna. It can really clear out your sinuses, and also use water if there's fluids flowing, which is a good thing. Drink lots of water, let the fluids flow, and try to clear out some of that junk that's clogging you down. Now I'm going to go from low to high. And again, I'll stick with each note for as long as I like. It's not an exercise. It's not something that you do 10 times here and 10 times there. You can do it that way, and some people do. However, I always recommend to work by your feeling. So focus on the vibrations, the tones, and the length of the sigh based on how you feel. If it feels comfortable and nice to do, continue. And when you feel you're ready to move on, or if you need to explore a little bit to find, if you feel like, gosh, I have this congestion kind of over here by my ear. Now I feel that over here by my ear. I'm kind of moving my jaw a little bit and trying to send that vibration. You can tilt your head in different ways. You can move your spine a little bit. Remember that vibration is actually movement. So you're sending some physical energy to the different areas internally and getting those chambers to vibrate and let some fluids move and potentially let some toxins and even hopefully some viruses and bacteria to move and clear out of your system. I'm a real believer in the healthy movement of fluids. So I recommend, steam and hot water, drinking and bathing, and, drinking lots of fluids, and also practicing your breathing and practicing sighing, practicing humming, practicing singing. I've taught this technique to many, many singers and thousands of actors. Use your voice, get in the sunshine, make some noise, enjoy yourself. People are very stressed, even panicked, and this is a good way to reduce your anxiety, reduce your stress, while you're also improving your sinus and respiratory health. So 5 or 10 minutes humming, focusing the vibration throughout your face, throughout your mouth. See if you can feel it in the back of your head. Another technique that you can do is to use your hands and massage gently around your whole head. Move the big muscle that covers your skull. This is all a muscle under your scalp, and it feels wonderful to massage the temples while you're humming. And if you do have clogged sinuses, have some tissues ready, because this is going to help clear you out. You can massage around your face. You can even use some tapping. Some people like to do the tapping techniques anyway. For me, it's all about vibration. It is the physical movement, the vibrational energy, and your voice helps to carry that. If you have a singing bowl like I do, use your singing bowl with your humming. You don't have to match the tone. I still enjoy the sound of my bowl along with the different tones that I make with my voice. Where I hold the bowl around myself, I'll feel the vibration. I can hold it around my head, around my chest. You can lie on the floor and put it on your belly or chest, or work with the singing bowls with other people and you feel the vibrational energy of the bowl directly. It's the same principle as using your voice, except in this case the vibration is coming from the bowl outside of me and I still feel it in the same way. You can move them around to places that you can't reach with your voice, like your legs and your hands. So use your voice not only to express yourself and speak your mind and to sing when you're happy and cry when you're sad, or to speak important truths when they're necessary in times like these, and also for your own health and well-being. I'm Joseph Feinstein, and thank you for listening.